Famo, who's famo? She take a look, step on her, they feel off my head.
So yeah, that's dance tutorial and this trending song right now on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever, whatever, guys. Since you're new to this channel, my name is Teoluckzboom. I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel down below. Like this video and share to your friends, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe for me, guys. Like, watch this video. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Let's dive right into the video. Now, first tutorial, very simple. Just 1, 2. We go, let's fuck, push, boom, 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 boom. I sing, guys. So it's boom, 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 boom. So it's bounce, 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 bounce. So it's boom, 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 boom. I sing, guys. Let's go. We go, let's fuck, push, boom, 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 boom. That's the first step, guys. So the first step, so you mash to the right, you mash to the left. Please, make go let's back push, boom, 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 boom. 1, 2. I think guys, please. 1, 2. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make go let's back push, boom, 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 boom. 1, 2. Follow me, guys, please. 1, 2. Let's go. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Bounce like this. 1, 2. Let's go and start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a rest. 5, push, boom, 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 boom. 1, 2. Let's do 1, 2. You threaten the front, guys. 1 like this. Threaten the front wall, guys. Go. So guys, this is what you do. So that sound. So you threaten. Like you want to run forward, yeah? Or you want to side back. It's 1. Put your hands on your head. From the start, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a rest. Back push. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen, guys. So it's boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen, guys. That's the first step. So for that step, let's just do this. Just gonna be like you serve it to this side. Just serve. You go serve. You go serve. Twice, just twice. Go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back push, boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Serve. 1. Serve. Listen, guys. Don't get me wrong. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a back push, boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, serve. 1. Serve. 1. Serve. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. You do 1, 2, 3, 4. You turn around. Let traditional dance. 1, 2, 3, 4. I found you guys. So go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a rest. Back push, boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, start, go, bang. Escaladizzy. So guys, once you turn this 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this. 1, 2, 1, 2. I find you. What you do? 1, 2, 3, 4. You do 1, 2, 1, 2. I find them, guys. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. When you correct, back push. 1, 2, 1. Then still like this. 1, 2. Then you go ahead. Just once. Just hit to your left shoulder. Please. 1. 1. Follow me, guys. Let's go one more time. 5, 6 from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make go rest. Make go rest. 5 push. 1, 2. 1 take. Escaladizzy. 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this step is easy, guys. I've taught this my challenges. Previous challenges, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go and start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a rest, make a rest. 5 push 2. 1, 2. Escaladizzy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Go back again. And you do leg work. Finish, guys. Finish. Once you do leg work, that is the end of the tutorial, guys. Once you do leg work, that is the end of the tutorial. One more time from the start, guys. 5, 6, 7 together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a rest, make a rest. 5 push, 1, 2, 3, count me up. That's kind of this. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, reverse. 1. I think, guys, so that is the dance tutorial. That is the dance tutorial for you guys. In case you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe down below, like this video, and share to your friends. I'll see you guys in my next video.